Just to give you guys a number, itong opensa ng JRU, how much they've struggled so far up until this point. They're number 10 in terms of attack efficiency. Pagdating natin sa player ranking sa scoring, ang pinakamataas po nila is number 34. Si Kayla Hazareno with 41 points, 6.8 points per match. Tinagdagan pa niya. 8 puntos na. 9 na. Oh, 9 points. Already above her average of 6.8 points per match. Just for context, okay, ang pinakamataas na scorer ng San Beda, of course, is Angel Habacon with 118 points. So, almost triple nung outcome so far ni Hazareno. Yung in-score niya ni Habacon. At yung pinag-uusapan ko, sila naman yung nagpapalitan dito. What an emphatic hit right there by Angel.
Dahil hindi pwede pumacing ngayon si Angel dahil kailangan nilang kumuha ng isang set dito para lang mag-even out. So, kanina medyo nagpapainit pa in the first set.
So, 1-all. Here comes that jump serve by Angel. Picked up by Alonia. Quick attack for Del Pilar.
Meron na siya, no? Meron na siya sa bag niya na pagka pinupuntahan siya ng quick, it's either dadalhin niya sa gitna or dun sa down the line on that service area. Dalawa lang yun na tina-target niya.
Kanina may ibang approach pa yan, ha? Si Del Pilar nung set 1.
Tsaka may ilang games din na sinusubukan na nila dalhin sa running hit si Del Pilar.
Totoo.
Kasi yun yung pangatlong layer na idadagdag mo. Pagka quicker ka, tapos may down the line ka, and then yung running hits na.
Pag nadagdag nila yan kay Patara at Del Pilar,
good luck.
they're gonna be promising. That one is denied. Here's a free ball. Chansa para sa San Beda. Navarro. Pinalik ni Del Pilar. Molina. Back set this time. Push. It's still alive, but it's gone. Puntos para sa San Beda Lady Red Spikers. That's Lalaine Arizapa scoring on the push. Yeah.
Good job by Lane. Right there. Ready, and good read then by Molina, setting up that with a back set. Dahil na nasaraduhan nung unang atake si Erin.
Babalasa dito si Coach.
Good luck.
Service ace.
There you go. Better start now for the Lady Red Lions.
Mula dito kay Erin Navarro, their middle blocker. You mentioned a lot is expected from Erin, and so far she is performing stats-wise.
Actually, silang dalawa talaga ni Angel yung highly touted dito sa recruiting class na to. Na pagka-recruit sa kanila last year, a lot were expecting them to really play like this.
Okay. Ano natin tong... By the way, that was outside for JRU. One more serve here. Para dito kay Erin Navarro, galing Holy Family. Itong si Erin Navarro, kanyang probinsya. Bataan. Oh! Cross-court hit. That's a slice. Para dito kay Nicole Deala. Look at that. Slicing through.
Miscommunication there on the defense. Hindi mo makukuha yan ng patingin-tingin lang. Kailangan angkinin mo talaga yung bola na yan.
Iba rin kasi i-approach. Uy!
Net contact.
Touch. And this is what they need to avoid talking about San Beda. They got the upper hand already. They give a freebie to JRU. 4-all tayo. Again, these two teams separated by a game in the team standings. Underhand setup. Puntos para kay Kagalawan.
Ito rin talaga ako, I'm impressed with how steady she is.
Yeah.
Si Sophie. Dahil nabanggit nga natin, maraming transferees ng San Beda. Siya yung parang, kahit pag in-observe mo yung mood nila, siya yung glue guy nila eh.
Kasi two-way din siya.
Oo, yun. Exactly. Two-way sweeper.
Yeah.
Matangkad, kaya blumak.
Ayun
Oh! Ayun lang.
Pero si Dayame getting that one on the return. Laurente kept it alive. Iniwas ni Dayame sa blockers. Papunta dun sa walang tao. 5 apiece. 3 attack points so far for Pat Del Pilar. She's been solid as a middle today. Kagalawan returned. Bion keeps it up. Back row hit, off speed, drops in. for Habacon.
Galing ng adjustment on the hit. Dahil they were expecting the loaded hit. And coming from the back row, it's just enough time to read.
Yeah. Sabi si Angel. Ibang Angel ang nakitaan ko niya nung
Tama.
isang araw. Yeah. Yung diskarte sa back row na yun.
Mas malaki yun.
Oo. Pero I like how Habacon is also showing that potential here. 7-5, Batara commits the attack error. So, San Beda, unti-unti umaarangkat. Masyadong mababa yung atake ni Kring. And this is Kakalawan. Sophie serves. Too strong.
Ako curious ako paano nagde-decide yung mga players to go for the jump serve instead of just a percentage serves.
True. Mga soft serve na ano. Si Dolorito from her first year jump serve. Ngayon iniba na niya.
Kasi namin niya anong service error last year.
Tsaka napagod daw siya. Okay. Mas
Nakakapagod.
train talaga.
Talong ka na ng talong, tapos jump serve ka pa.
Correct. Laurente. Ooh! Kring is activated.
Crunchy hit by Kring Batara.
Determinadong bumawi dito si Batara. Taking care of the single coverage.
Dahil nakatatlong error na siya dyan sa mga quick attacks na yan. So, isang maganda lang. Pambawi.
Habacon. Bumalik.
Chance ball.
It's an overpass. Oh, masyadong malapit sa net. Teka lang, error against JRU 8-7. Lady Red Spikers have the lead on the other side. Pakinggan ulit natin si Christine San Agustin.
Tapos I also hosted a show called Upfront. It's a lifestyle show for athletes. And then went on to do different gigs, non-sports gigs as well on television. Currently on 24 Horas right now. Game Changer, we also feature athletes and different activities there. So, yun. And now, here with GMA Synergy with the NCAA and on Game On. Okay.
Yung pala yung ending na.
Okay.
May I just say that as a friend and colleague of Martin, the thing I'm most proud about of this guy is when he hosts the red carpet.
You are still watching the NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Tournament, and if there's one thing that unites the two teams today, that is the power of experimentation. Kausap ko nga ang head coach ng San Beda kanina, na si Coach Edgar Baroga, at ang sabi niya, they really experimented with their blockings, especially their middle blockings after finding out that they ranked second in their matchup against EAC. Sabi niya, they really tripled their efforts with hopes to capitalize on this specific area. Meanwhile, at JRU, Coach Mia emphasized that today's focus is on experimenting with the team dynamics between seasoned players and the newcomers. She highlighted that na may promising na skills and talents ang mga rookies, and so she aims to integrate their talents with the experienced members with hopes to come up with a good team chemistry. All for now, Martin and Coach Hammer.
Thank you so much, Miss Christine San Agustin, and her experimental report.
No.
Both coaches.
Hindi experiment yun. Service ace.
Oh.
Ang binigay ng San Beda coming off that technical timeout. But again, Angel Habacon.
And
10 points.
itong, isa sa mga department as Habacon scores her 10th. One of the reasons why San Beda is leading right now, or one of the leaders in terms of blocking, dahil dito sa presensya ni Eri Navarro.
Number 2
in
the league.
Tapos, dagdagan mo pa ng Molina na very capable blocker when she is in the front line as a setter as well. For JRU, the rookies, the experimentation ni Coach Mia is working right now with the absence of their captain in May Ruiz.
Yep, just getting enough reps para dun sa mga mas bata. And early, a scrappy team. Scrappy. Kailangan pagka hindi ka talaga katangkaran, scrappy ka, you compete and you protect that Tara Flex. Yan, yung mga kaya mong tumupi and habulin yung bola. Parang grave digger dyan. Dig ka lang ng dig, laban na. Pero yun, mahirap kalaban.
And she is now officially on a roll.
Yep.
Mainit na si Angel Habacon. This is another spike through the block. Put down. Ayan, pakinggan natin ngayon. Ang timeout ni Coach Mia.
Babalik sa atin ng malakas. So, might as well, pahirapan natin sila para yung balik sa atin, okay, hindi ganun kalakas. Okay? Ganun tayo magiging aggressive. Magkakaintindihan? Okay? So, wag tayo bibitaw. Dire-diretso lang. Ulit.
Dalawa lang yan.
With the way things are going here in the second set, Coach Hammer, JRU could have been down bigger. Pero nakakabawi sila dito, lumalaban. At yan yung gustong kapitan ni Coach Mia.
Yeah, and Sanbeda is now force-feeding Angel Habakon para makakuha sila ng mga puntos dahil Erin Navarro pa ambon-ambon yung dating ng points.
And this has been the ultimate momentum killer for Sanbeda. These service errors.
Yep.
Timely rin, ano?
Oo,
Pag
pagka
nagra-run.
nakakakuha sila ng 2-point lead, 3-point lead, and then they would be committing and that touch kanina.
Yeah.
Tapos service error.
Habakon from the other side. That one was deflected and defended. Hazareno,
Good
pinalik.
contact there.
Teyala adjusts and scores.
Again, with a little friendly help from the net on that attack by Deyala. And this is a tough hit, Martin, with your body.
Oh, yeah.
When you jump, your body, yung momentum mo dragging you to the opposite side of the hit, mahirap yun.
Mahirap. She was jumping right and she guided the ball left. Arizapa, that did not go through. So abante na ang JRU. Tatlong sunod para sa JRU magmula ng timeout ni Coach Mia.
Taking over that lead. Nisab tayo rito. Quick shoutout sa sila Coach Yuri nanonood. Kaya pala nandito si Coach Yuri. Coach Yuri, Coach Boyet, na papuntang Batangas, Coach Francis. Scouting din si Coach Francis.
Okay. Akala ko si Coach Yuri yung nag-scout.
Hindi, si Coach Yuri nanonood talaga yan. Favorite kasi ni Coach Yuri si Angel Habakon dahil ito rin yung mga gusto niyang players. Yung laban. Laban lang. Ayaw patalo. Ewan ko si Coach Boyet kung nagsascouting din. Pero definitely si Boss Jude nandito.
The Red Lions are ready. Grabe yung preparation. Nakikita natin sa iba-ibang leagues. Sabangan natin yan.
Actually, all of the teams. All of the teams are very
beefing up for season 100. Pero dito, ang JRU umabante ulit. 13-12 now for the Lady Bombers. Kayla Hazareno.
may touch daw. Oo, on the check ball ang binigay.
13-12. This is the best game so far for Hazareno at ayokong batiin. Dahil nag-jinx eh.
Pero kasi itong game na to, controlled yung possessions na napupunta sa kanya. In a matter of, dinadala lang ni Laurente dun sa magiging productive siya. On the back row sa gitna at saka on the open side. Yung mga times na marami siyang errors is yung pinipilit nilang papaluin siya ng papaluin na mataas na volume.
Siyempre, nagiging pantay sarado na siya.
Exactly. Saka napapagod ng mas mabilis.
Pilar sending that one low. So an attack error will give Sanbeda back the lead. Henry Navarro serves. That's a good serve. Laurente, one-handed set for Deyala.
Partner Anton Rojas, sama mo yan sa top 10 plays natin dahil ang ganda ng pagkaka-execute. One-handed back set and Deyala taking care of it with enough runway and putting that one down.
Grabe yung set ni Inday doon. Yeah. Almost thought that was an overpass. Nagawa ng paraan. Pero pagkatapos, service error. 15. Serving 14 now. Abraham checks back in. Replacing Arizapa. Si Klein Abraham.
Ito kailangan rin nila na si Klein medyo makakuha ng buwelo dito. She's been one of the more reliable attackers for Coach Edgar.
Laurente. Oh, Dayame! Cut shot for Cherish Dayame. Tama yan, no? Wow!
Over the outstretched arms of the blockers of Sanbeda.
15 apiece. An exciting set number 2 we are witnessing so far. Del Pilar. Combination, Kagalawan scores. 16 to 15. San Beda is first to the technical timeout. We'll be back after this.
In people's lives. And with this show, I hope that we're able to do that even more.
Definitely, sir.
Sabihin ko na nga, proud ako dun sa... Ginawa niya sa akin kanina eh. Pinaka-proud ako. Hindi, dun sa... Dun sa binanggit
Please be careful.
Dun sa binanggit mo, sa mga binanggit mo. Nag-cover siya ng chess nun. Challenge kay Anton yun. With Eugene.
Yeah, GM.
Practice na, di ba, ng online chess? Naglalaro.
Guys,
We were doing that online kasi...
Back to live action. Remaining games for the San Beda Lady Red Spikers. An opportunity to finish the season strong.
Yup.
Mabigat.
Oo, dahil alam mo San Beda has an outsider's chance of making it to the Final Four. And the cards are in their hands. If and only if they beat Mapua and Letran, after they take care of business here, they might have a very good chance dahil papababain nila yung dalawa eh. At makakatapat pa nun yung LPU. Bakbakan pa yung mga nasa taas eh.
Right. So ang kanilang fate in season 99 nasa kanilang mga kamay as Habakon swings away.
Tsaka meron tong team na to eh. Talking about the Lady Red Lions, may mga pyesa na kailangan lang mag-click at the right time.
Yeah.
Dahil very minimal reps to throughout the offseason. They had the coaching change. Coach Edgar is still on his first year implementing his system.
Oh yeah. Only his first season with San Beda and yet they're showing so much promise. So is JRU today though. Back row hits. Oh, that is saved by Biong. Habakon. Inangat ni Hazareno. They bring it to Dayame. Oh, kept alive by San Beda. One more chance for JRU. Dayame. Easy up for Abraham. Habakon. Two-handed drop. Dive by Diala. Dayame. Buhay pa rin. Habakon. Ooh, there's an error on JRU's side.
Medyo napagod. hindi lang sila, pati tayo. sa action na yun. Pero again, nakikita mo parang if you go through that multiple possessions, sino yung mga sustain ng high work rate? Kasi yun yung kaibahan ng Habakon na kahit na bandang dulo ng mga mahabang rally, kayang pumalo dahil sanay.
Energy pa, no?
Oo.
Patara puts it down. Much needed point for JRU to stay within 2.
Rinse and repeat at the middle.
Serving 18. Underhand setup for Habakon. Hazareno was there. Here's the back set for Diala. Tracked down by Abraham. 1-2. Does not work. Hazareno denied. Free ball. Lady Red Spikers have a chance. Habakon catches the line. Let's check this one out. Angel flying, targeting the back line. Why not?
Ayaw patalo. Ayaw talaga patalo.
19, 16.
Yun lang naman hinihingi sa mga player ng San Beda. Pag naglaro ka, buhos ka. I mean, kahit na ano yung magiging resulta, basta nakita ng community na bomba ka, mahalin ka
mo
na
lahat.
yan.
Yeah.
Yung mga 30 years na, pagkukwentuhan ka pa rin ng mga alumni.
Here's another chance ball combination. Dug up by Alonia. Of speed is sent back. Laurente. Papunta kay Diala. Overpass. Tracked down by Kagalawan. Habakon, the two-handed push. Angel napahiga na dito sa harap natin. That doesn't go through. She tried. She was deep in that position. Pero hindi nakatawid.
Abutan mo na energy drink o kaya kape.
May tubig naman tayo.
Meron tayo dito, meron tayo.
Molina goes back to Angel. Inangat na ni Hazareno. Hazareno now. Piong with a dig. 1-2. Pero nabasa ni Inday. Deyala. Nasa likod. Si Abraham. Here's Habakon. Down the line finish for Angel.
Nakikita natin, medyo may konting fatigue na
Meron na.
si Angel. Dahil ito, again, ang babalikan natin, longer rallies, higher work rate, and then laging pupunta sa kanya yung bola.
Yeah.
So the question is, who's the next man up? Who's the next lady up that can provide a different variation on those attacks?
Hinga. Catch your breath. Okay? Girls, huwag niyo bibitawan na. Kailangan depensahan doon. It's either umatras ka onte, short, ready lang to move forward. Ginagawa natin. Kaya mo naman yun eh. Okay? Okay? Depensa ha, depensa. Hinga ka muna dito sa... Okay? Girls, huwag natin bibitawan ha. 3 points away.
Coach Mia. And just some instructions here for JRU. Yung mga diskarte, na-identify lang. Diskarte ng San Beda, na-identify lang. Because, you know, you see, that's a different point of view that they have there on the bench. You know, they see what's happening here. They see where San Beda is targeting them. At gusto niya syempre itong kapitan pa rin. Katulad ng sinabi niya halfway through this set. 20-17. Molina. Si Molina rin kanina yung nag-serve pagkatapos ng timeout ni Coach. This time it's a better serve. Kring! Yes, sir. 18-20.
Parang convenience store yung atake na yun para sa JRU. Always open. Ayan, oh. Hindi pa nila pinupuntahan dahil matangkad din si Batara and underrated na mahaba yung reach niya. Matangkad. Mataas yung reach niya. So yung mga quick, despite sneakily athletic si Batara, napapasok niya yung mga palo na ganun.
That's right. Walang deflection. Hazareno. Not gonna work. They go back to Angel who rises. Kept alive. It is struck down by Inday. Chance ball here. Can the Lady Red Spikers take advantage? Combination play for Abraham.
And that's what they needed.
Abraham providing another option on offense para sa mga Bitista.
Para medyo makapahinga si Angel. 15 points, 14 off attacks and an ace.
Pero jump serve pa rin. Ooh! Ooh! It's good! Kala niya sobra. Pasok yan para kay Angel Habakon. Pati siya natawa na pagkatapos eh. Look at this. Jump serve with power. Saktong-sakto. Eh, buenas pa. One more time. Ooh! Back-to-back aces for Angel Habakon. 17 points already. And we're only in set 2. Another serve that went on the line. What a performance so far.
Sinong kalaban niya na freshman of the
Oh,
year?
my.
Sinong kalaban? Oh,
Oh, what a
save!
dive! Angel showing us the defense as well. Deyala rather drops it in. JRU stops the bleeding.
Grabe yung save na to. Tsaka masakit yan, ha? Sakit yan.
Yeah. The dive, Deyala took advantage. Soft touch.
No? Buhos maglaro. Di ka titibirin.
That's what you wanna see.
Tsaka pagkakampi mo, mahihiya ka pa Metics. Wag ganyan yung kasabay mo mag-ensayo, maglaro.
Preta. Nasa laban ulit natin. Kakalawan. Nasa
There you
kabila
go.
na siya. Dug up by Bautista. Hazareno. Sent back by Navarro. Oh! Popped up by Bautista. Hazareno again. Nasa likod si Byung. Angel with a two-handed push, and it goes through. Set points on Beda, 18 for Angel Habakon in the match.
Ayun na naman nagtinginan. Tatlo na silang nakapalibot dun sa bola. Nobody taking care of that.
Just too good. She is seeing this match on a different perspective. 24-19. Overpass, over reception. Pero si Del Pilar, yung nakakuha ng regalo.
Parang sabay yung birthday ng dalawang yun. Ayaw kuhanin.
Over-received, overpass yung binalik. Regalo para kay Pat Del Pilar.
Ang gagawin mo? Ibibigay mo pa sa kanila? Kaya ka nga tinawag na middle. Mag-isip kayo, paano kung last one yan? Tingiti-ngiti kayo, yung lamang sila ng isang set. Sino nasa harapan? Saan ka? Saan ka nakapwesto? Oh, be quick ka. Ang be quick mo, pasukan mo ng normal. Sino narito? Sino narito? Sophie, o diretso ka lang. Ha? Tulo-tulo lang. Sige, sige, sige.
Okay.
Gusto ko yung sinabi ni Coach Edgar. Down kayo ng one set, pangiti-ngiti kayo sa error.
Yeah. Dapat hindi ganun yung attitude. Ano?
Konting context, I asked Gaira.
Okay.
Gaya, nagpa-ensayo na ba si Coach Edgar?
Okay.
Nagpa-ensayo na
Ayun.
ba si Coach E
Oh.
ng trademark Coach Edgar practice? Sabi, inuunti-unti na daw.
The finisher in set number 2 for the Lady Red Spikers. Great execution, Kakalawan with a final point. Tabla na tayo sa ating laban. We are guaranteed at least a set 4 dito po sa laban natin. Pero set 3 muna tayo sa ating pagbabalik dito sa GTV.